Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to talk about piggybacking other big channels to ethically steal their views and subscribers. Now, YouTube is one of those platforms where it's best to see what's working in your industry and then to just do what others do. Now, I don't mean copying their content, but see what their best videos are, how long are those videos, what do the thumbnails look like, what do the headlines look like. You can even hack their channels and see what tags they use on their videos. I'll show you a cool little trick to do that in just a second. But it's important to see what is working and then for you to follow exactly what's working. It's like if you're in a business, right, and everyone is making $1 million in your industry following a particular method. Are you going to try to figure it out on your own, or are you just going to try to follow a similar method so that you can see the same success? It's the same thing here. We want to know and imitate what works. Again, not copy. Do it your way, but in a way that you know your particular audience likes. And when you follow what works, it gives you the opportunity to be suggested on other people's videos. This is what I call piggybacking other people's videos. So while you're watching videos, YouTube suggests other videos that the viewer may like. So if you do videos that are similar to what the people already getting thousands and millions of views are doing, it's very possible that YouTube will recommend your videos alongside their videos. And here's a cool hack that you can do to improve your chances of actually doing this. All right, simply go to socialblade.com, scroll to the bottom, and download their Chrome extension. This literally takes less than a minute. Now go to YouTube and click on any video. Boom, you get to see everything you need to know about a channel, including the tags used for that video. This is extremely powerful because you can find the tags to the most popular videos in your industry. Not only when using these tags do you increase your chances of getting your videos suggested for these topics, but you'll also discover new bracelet and charm keywords that you can use to develop even more content that you know your audience is going to want to see. Now keep in mind, by using the most powerful headlines and tags in your industry and doing topics that are popular in your industry, it's going to be very easy for you to get your videos seen, get your videos ranked, and get your videos suggested by YouTube.